Madison and I am a rec leader with Segundo Parks and Rec, and today I will be showing you all how to make cloud dough. So for this, you're going to need a half a cup of lotion, 1 cup of cornstarch, a bowl, and some food coloring. So first what we're going to do is we're going to take our lotion and we're just going to squeeze that into our bowl. And once you've done that, we're just going to take our food coloring. We're going to put a few drops in and then mix it. I'm using blue. You can use whatever color you want. I'm just going to do a couple drops. And now that we have that all mixed, we're just going to pour in our cornstarch. We're just going to continue to mix. Okay, so now that we have everything mixed together, you're just going to take out your cloud dough, place it on a napkin, and you're going to knead it until it has a dough-like texture. And if your dough is still sticky, you could add some cornstarch, which I'm doing. And once it has this dough-like texture like mine does, you're all done, and now you have your cloud dough. So I hope you all enjoyed that. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.